Millions of people roll their ankle every year.
It could be really anything. So a rolled ankle could lead to a broken bone, a ligament tear, a broken foot even.
While rolling your ankle is more of a general term,
What an ankle sprain is, it refers to damage to the ligaments around the ankle.
the severity of the ankle sprain depends on the number of ligaments involved and the extent to which the ligaments are torn.
It can happen in sports, it can happen walking down the stairs, just tripping over uneven ground. It really can happen in any situation to anyone in any age group.
Lee Health orthopedic surgeon Dr. Diana Young says if you do sprain your ankle,
Put some ice on it and then just see how it goes. Sometimes it's a minor sprain and the pain goes away and you're able to keep walking and doing your activities. Other times, after an ankle is rolled, it can hurt so much that you can't put any weight on it at all. In those cases, it would be good to get that checked out.
some people may be more susceptible to strains, but there are steps you can take to lower your risk.
Just working on ankle strength in general, especially if you're someone who's had sprains in the past, that's definitely a good place to start to prevent further sprains. Also wearing appropriate footwear for the sport that you're playing.
Dr. Young says when in doubt, it's best to have the injury checked out by a medical professional. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.